What? Game capture. All on. Welcome back to Liminal Industries. Last time, we worked on a few quests and made a better power system. And today, I left it off on making these power poles, which we want to make out of cherry, which is my favorite wood. And we ran out, so today we are going to continue on a few quests with the photogenic insulator to make an oak sapling and then turn it into a cherry sapling. So we can continue working on the power. But before we start that, there is something I have thought of that I need to fix. So first, with that, I will need all of these and not this backpack. What's this one look like? No. Okay, so let me make a new backpack. And nope. Take the void upgrade. There is now a use for this since my initial use for it did not work. So I need those and then maybe 2 uppers, I think. Two uppers, and the entire power system would be relying on the refined fuel, but as I have it now, it is not infinitely generating. So to do that, you can see that it is limited by the vitamin coming here. So what I'm gonna do is change up this power here. So I got quite a bit, so it'll last, but let me just delete all of these, and I probably wouldn't even need this either. Yeah, it's just taking up a stress, so I will delete that. And if this is right, put a relay. Oh wait, it might not. That could work. It's just easy. Just put maybe right here, then connect these, and then just put it right up top. Let me connect that, and then for the power, well, that might not actually work. Let's see. Oh, it works. Okay, so connect that. Yep, it's gaining power, so it works. Oh, nope. I'm gonna need another connector. Then, yeah, that's alright. Do that. So, then that connects. And then I will need to switch this up a bit. So, to start, getting rid of this and taking this. Oh, and then use our new backpack with the void upgrade. Allow vitamin, but void overflow. So then just put in might have to be just straight up upper, and then place the backpack on it. Yep, and then that's going inside the backpack, and then another upper to the pyrolyzer. And then I need to get a new connector and then connect power to that. But here I will need to put the pump up here. And then also the ash alloy so that it can drop the tar. And then, yep, that gets picked up. And I need more pipes as well as the connector, so let me just go get those. And then we will have the refined fuel infinitely generating. Pipes and a connector. Maybe a few more of these. And then more relays. Yep, connect that to the power. I might actually need more dynamos. Or maybe the medium voltage is not high enough. Because this is going down instead of going up, which maybe if I collect more it'll be better. We'll just see. But then I can just have pipes go like this. Yeah. I cannot connect it right here because it'll connect to the pipe and then oil will want to come out. But I can move these to go up here, and then I need another cog, which I have a shaft. Wait, I need that shaft to go up there. Hello. And I need to get another cog to make that work. Let me see if I can make another one of those while I'm down there. Yeah, if this doesn't work, I might have to go to high voltage, which is steel wire. Compression dynamo. One, two, three, 5. Oh, am I out of gold? Some blocks. And then I will make, oh, I'm bronze, right, that's always a problem. Well, I can't make those yet. What did I come down here for? Oh yeah, cog. So I just put those in the back. Do hope the energy is good. Oh yeah, that's running out of power. So something is definitely wrong. Does it say how much it can give? Oh, that's going the wrong way. Okay, well, maybe I will need to connect some alternators to it. Let me check the batteries. It might be prioritizing filling those up before anything. I do not know. Oh, I think I know what I did. The tops are all set to input. So I will have, and then it is going in a circle all around. So I will have 2 be input and then 2 be output, and now it should be fine. Yeah, that's going down. That's going down, okay. Yeah, so now access power should be going into these whenever possible. But yeah, power is being eaten up by these to automate this, which is fine. So maybe once that's done, the power will be fine, but I still need to add some more power sources. Well, got that done. So now, make the photogenic insulator. I am lagging a bit, and I got everything I need. So, I will just place it down here, and like these machines that I'll only like come up to use instead of automate, I'll probably make an area for them with the power. So let's try that. The power's going in very slowly. Don't have sand in here. Let's see, bone meal this, nothing happens. Break it, we get more banana. Yeah, there's nothing happening. There's no rain, so that kind of sucks. So there is a very limited amount of banana bread that we can make, which is all that I have in my backpack. Now let me see. I'll make it 9x9, well 3x3, but just in case. Maybe he's too close to that. I'll do it right here. How's this doing? It's almost done. No, not doing anything. Can I grow it in a cloche? I cannot. At least that's not what these say. Oh wait, photogenic insulator. No, we got banana, photogenic insulator, which is what I just made. Which these, can I break it up? Oh wait, I think I place it and then break it, and then I get the bananas. So can I just use a water bucket on this? I can, okay. So, then let's put the banana in there. Yeah, it's eating a lot more power than it'll work, I think. Let's see if it resets or it pauses. Hoping it pauses. It resets, okay. So we can make bananas whenever we want to now, but now let's continue our work on the saplings, which I think this is a suggestion, but maybe use it. So just dirt. Okay. Okay. So there I can turn wood into power. And coke as well, 40,000. Magmatic. Yeah, that could work. I might have to set up a second lava area for it. Gourmand. I used the gourmand with melons in my last game. Turn bread into power. That's not really so efficient because the wheat takes time to grow. Well, it is, but it is very limited in space here. Like, this is the only way out, which well, maybe it could work. Put it right here, bring a power pole over here. Because this makes it fast. And it uses only one bucket every 6 minutes, so yeah, it could work. I mean, what does it cost to make it? Invar, which is nickel and iron, which nickel is also a very limited source that I have. I can make a few, yeah. Yeah, I'll make that once I get the wood to make power poles to bring it over there. So it needed 20,000 power, and I have 10,000 right now, so we just gotta wait for that. And I need to... Where'd I get all this cobblestone from? Or did I already have it? Gravel. Flint. Alternators. I kind of want to get rid of alternators from my power because they take up stress from the engine, and I'd rather have as much as possible in case I do any more automation, which probably wouldn't do with create, because now we're getting into like little machines which are kind of annoying. And let me make more of this. No, I need more tough fabric. No, last time what happened is the coal almost ran out because of the hopper placement. So then I fixed that, and we're still good on stress. We're using 24% of it, but the alternators, they take a lot. I could... What's this need? Yeah, I could make sterlings and use the coke for it. That might... I can make them right now. Hook them up to there. I can do that. Yeah, each coke, dynamo, each coke makes 40,000, and each lava makes 100,000. Let me see what these other ones are. This is... What is this? Can I make iron coins? Make iron coins, what does that make? 32,000, that's probably not worth it. Lapidary. That could... What that need? Yeah, just pull tiles. That could work, actually. Yeah, lapidary is not bad. Because if I do the multi-dimensional item travel, I could make lapis. Yeah, I was gonna watch a tutorial about that, but I forgot. Because I mainly wanted to just start this day off working on the tree, which we have enough now, and I need to put bone meal and dirt. Because we'll need power for that, and I'm still working on the power. Then we put a dirt in there, and now let me speed it up because it should have enough power. Yep. And it did not give us the 30% chance for a tree. So now we wait for power to go up again. Still feel like I'm missing something when I'm... Don't think I am. Yeah. But the lapidary, that would be like... If I can get that working, that'd be like a mega power system with all the lapis coming in. Because that's the same amount as a coke. I've completely forgot that I was doing this. Sterling, empowered void. Oh, and it doesn't need a electronic component, so I can make a lot of these. Is this... Okay, this is the last one, and then we'll get saved up on some power. If I make 5 of these, that'd be a good number. I got enough connectors. Chop them off. I might need another one of those. What was I throwing in? Oh, yeah, throw in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to make another one of these. 5. And then I need funnel. Don't want that. Leave 1 because it cannot put items in directly. Actually, give me a big hog. Oh, Ash. Hello. You mean the pattern, the color-coded? I believe it should be. Oh, is it not? It might have been another mod pack that I saw it. I guess not. put this, and then need these. Nope. I want it face up. And maybe that's too far. Okay, that should be fine. And then like that. And then take this, and deposit. Kind of forgot that I needed a power pole here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got the base set up. So now let's put this back in. Oh, it has no water. Completely forgot that part. Come on, tree. Really? Oh wait, before I take that in. Oh, did I not give it bone meal? I might have missed that. And then we'll wait for that too. Yeah, that seems to be going up a lot faster. Is it because these are full? Probably because it's not using it. It might be hard to navigate, but it will look very pretty. So much power. Yeah, this is making a lot. I will put a temporary thing because I need the power. Where's my wire? Just right here. Okay, I need a lot more wires. Okay, it looks like the top gives seeds and the bottom gives the hemp. Do I even have wires to make them? Six, and then that gives 4, which 5. Yeah, that's one more that I need, but I want more. So let's go temporary power. Yeah, that is actually absolutely disgusting. Connect. Hope nothing explodes if there's too much power added. I don't really know how this mod works much. And see, now that's full. Am I doing this right? Dirt. There's no way I'm losing so many chances. There we go, there's one. I'll do this one because I put the water in. Wait, did I duplicate my dirt? Oh, we got one. That's all that matters. Then we take this off, put that on, and cherry. all the bone meal out. And get a big open area so I don't lose any leaves. What's that? Oh, that's the power pole I was gonna put down. I wonder if this works. Quantum Entanglo. Yeah, that's the other thing I said the other day, but with this metallurgic infuser, what can I make with this? Because a lot of recipes with this is disabled. Fine obsidian, which needs, yeah, that's a normal thing. Obsidian ingot. No, wait, dust. Okay, yeah, that's just normal. Need basically 4 diamonds. Teleportation core, soul binding, enderman, soul vial, singularity. Oh my god. Of course, the mechanism item needs AE2 things. And now we got our first tree, and I'm glad that got rid of the leaves very fast. Yeah. There you go. Now can I how do I maximize my output? Saw. Cutting board gives stripped with tree bark. Tree bark can be composted. Yes, I might do that. Sawing gives, and then I can use a stripped to saw that to 6. Okay. And get some of that tree bark. Any other use for tree bark? Let me check. Oh. Okay. I could set up a tree farm now. Though I don't really know what its use would be. Other than just like burning the wood. Okay, there's really no use for bark other than composting, so I'll still make it. Might need another axe. I could make a amethyst bronze axe, because why not? Nah, I don't really want to deal with that anymore. Here we go, stripped cherry, and then put it in here. And then I'll go put the tree bark in this. And we will go back over here. Nope, wrong way. And then get the oak sapling for the quest. And I could get apples if I need them. Okay. So that was for more posts. So let's wait on all this wood to make. Oh, and that's the last of it. Okay, perfect timing. Fences. Anything over here that requires power? I do not believe so. No. Yep, got all the coils back. And then connect this like normal. Am lagging a bunch. Probably because looking at the engine. Okay, how are these looking inside? Oh, they're just constantly going directly out. Output 10% weight. What does that mean? Oh, probably because it only requires that much. Hope they're doing fine up there. So, now that we got that, let's continue working on this. I don't need the lava anymore. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And which direction is that? It is right here. So it'll be on this one. Probably need to make it right here as well. And I need more wire. That is too long. Okay. Basically right in the middle. Relay, and connect that, and then I need more bone meal, which can't really take out of here. Is there an easy way? I might need to start using the cloches. Yeah, let's see here. Ignite that bulb. That is really fine. And mechanical part. Cheaper in here. I need to crush another lapis. Crush. I did send that to Wire. Did I already pick it up? believe I did. So I don't imagine I would need high voltage, but if I ever do, then I could set up 2 more automations. What's the goal for today? I don't think I even said it. Just finish and hook up all the electrics, and then I can continue on some quests. Could maybe get the... I do want to go back and then get the forge die, which, actually, those are off. So now I have enough hot steel to do it. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, let me actually want to set that up. Pipe. No, just a pump. I got 7 pumps. Why do I have so many pumps? Then I do want this. Do I have a spout? I do not. What did I write? So I need copper with, I believe it was glue. Yep. On this, and then I need a keg. 2 of them. And some of these. And I think that should be all that I need. I just need to take 2 buckets, blocks. Do I have power over there? I don't. I wanted to make it over here, but I might need to make it here. That could work, yeah. Because this is just a temporary setup area. Yeah, I can even use these conveyors for it, maybe. Ooh. Let me see, I'm just gonna do this, just a temporary setup area. I want this, this, hog, just do that. Need water. No, that is wrong way. Now it's filling with water. And then I will have this come out like this. So then those get filled with water. Oh, I just took a package. I don't know where it went to. And then if I do this, $50 of each. Actually, oh, there's another package. keep taking them. Let me move this around to be right there, and then big tank. I need more fluid tanks. That's why I went to the pool room so much. How do I have so little tanks? Okay, well those go in there, and then now 50 wheat, 50 seeds. And then that should be making the beer. 50 wheat, 50 seeds, and then I'm gonna need one more servo. Which a servo should be easier to make than another fluid duct. Servo iron. Oh wait. There we go. And then the beer will come out of these. No! No, I want water, deny, water, deny, water. And then now I have to break these up, and then to actually make it better, let me make it from the ground up, because I probably wouldn't have been able to get that last one. Okay, so now let me speed this up a bit so I can see if that worked as I thought. That is very slow. I want them to be even, so they're on even timers. And then beer, and this holds more than 100 buckets, so that is fine. So then after all that's done, deployer and a press. Do I have an extra of either? There's a press, I can take a deployer, and then the spout, yeah. I have to bring it from right there. Yes, let me bring this in. Took a package. And yeah, then here and here. Do I have one? I don't. I'm just gonna take this. Then I'll need gimme. I don't feel like going back. Connect this up. Huh? Wall? Oh, it made it from the saw. So take deployer with the press, and then with the spout, and I'll probably need to make more fluid ducts anyway because I need to connect it from here to there. So it needed 10, didn't it? Windowed. 10, yep. And I do not have that Oh, I do. Wait. Was it tin from the microwave? Or was it something else from the microwave? Oh yeah, that was the microwave, so... Okay, well, I don't remember getting that much. Bron... Copper... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3... In the induction smelter, which is over there. Then I needed... What did I need? I needed the... I thought I had more wooden hoppers. What do I do with them? I'll make some more anyway. So then this will have to do the... Well, do this. And I'll put 50 in there, then I just put the rest in there. Then this will have to be the rotation thing again. Let's do... Let's do this instead, so when I just leave it to fend for itself, it won't try to break. Right there. Bring it around here, and then I'll put a funnel on there. That. And then what did I steal the other one? Oh, that. Induction smelter this way. What was I doing that for? Oh yeah, the eye. I remember my first goal was to get the cloche. I just got easily distracted. Induction smelter, put those in. Speed. Oh, cardboard. Go. Find your home. Too bad can't ride the power lines like in Satisfactory. And I needed more pipes, that was it. Fluid duct with lead or... Oh, that's hardened, so probably need lead for that recipe. You know what, just turn it all into pipes. And then I'll just go ahead and attach that. That's full of beer. And then that is everything ready to make the eye. I just need the cannonball. Cannonball. And then I'll just leave that to fend for itself. That is the right recipe, right? Beer. Yeah, whole bucket for just one, so. Yeah. Leave that going. Cloche, right? Oh, right, I was waiting for the lapis. That's why I started doing something. Blue dye. Then make... Oh, I need aluminum, which it should be in here. Yeah, just give me the whole thing. Yeah, I was just thinking about some mod. So then take that out, put that in. 2. Actually, I'd probably make 4 cloches, why not? Well, how much does the bulb give? The bamboo, the paper. Paper. Probably should glass and copper ingot. Which are both in over here. So I'll just take both of those. Six. So I need 6 of these, which is 12 iron plate. Alright, just give me the whole thing. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, if I drop it all in there, I should be able to make 6 cloches. Okay. Then, I'll need to give it 6 dirt. And then I need to put water in it as well. I don't need this anymore. I probably should have just reused that. Uh-oh. Did that break anything? I don't think so. So I will just put these cloches here, because why not? Wait, 1 higher. You know what? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Actually, no, they don't have to be one higher. They do have to be like this. So if I take this pipe, connect all these in the back. Then bring it around. Then they should be filling with water. And then I need to bring, you know what, let's do this, why not? We're in the back rooms, logic doesn't matter. Connect that, and that should connect all those. I just need wire. And more wooden hoppers. Yeah, it's definitely not navigatable, but I know everything is, so that's all that matters. Put that keg away, and more hoppers. And then a chest with more funnels. If this works how I like, I am out of glue. Got all this. It goes in. I'll just put it in the furnace. Oh, bread. Nice little surprise. Yeah, I'll just put them in here. I want to check this out. Turn this into an inventory. Or is it this way? Nope. I don't really know how that works. And I just used my chest. Give me glue. Make more funnels. Oh, that won't work. I need to replace these a little bit more. This to go right here because I can't put two funnels next to each other. So, put you over here, you right here, and then this should work. Let me just get the dirt. Okay, if I put the seed in there, will it force it to come out? Nope, so it might just be the contents. Oh, and then I need to add the fluid again. Will it go in? Yep, it can reach. So now I just need power for it to work. Hopefully this is enough. Oh, yeah, there's a stack right there. So, MV, put away. Yep, need more of that. Let me make 2 more of these. Okay, make all that. Need 10. Well, I can make 2, which is enough to connect them all. Link to up here, and then the connectors. Seed, 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 seed. And now this little wire farm. Need to make it all come out and go into the chest. And so let's see if it works like I believe it should. Could have just made a create farm, but I don't like that. Just a little bit of everything. I kept those come out. We can force out and go into the chest. Okay. So now we let that run a little bit. Well, looks like we gotta find something else to do because I was working on power poles. Okay, so can I put one right here? That's not what I wanted. I want it right here. And then hopefully that'll reach the two. I got one wire. Ding, 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 please. No, are you serious? Three blocks. Are you serious? So remove, and then let's. I might just need a double pole. Because will that reach that? Probably not. Yeah, double pole. Here and here, why not? And then I'll do that whenever I get more wire. But that's working, and we can check the progress by how much steel is left. Yeah, and these are very slow. Was it like 8 minutes? Yeah, 8 minutes per, so 8 minutes for every 2 cycles. That's basically 1 cycle per minute. 1 cycle per one cycle every 4 minutes. That is 400 minutes for the completion. I don't know how many hours it is. So while we're waiting on the wire to be made, let's check out the other quests, which centrifugal separator. What is that for? Oh yeah, turning carpet dust into confusing powder. That's basically its only use. Yeah, so we will have to automate carpet dust again. How was that done? Carpet dust is just with the accumulator. So, which that needs 10, which I have a few of, so we should be fine. Just need a redstone servo with a hopper. Need a lot more chests. Just give me a ton of chests. I always need chests. And then just give me iron. I was thinking about connecting these 2 inventories together, but like if I would deposit things in here, it could go into that one, which I kind of don't want. And then the hopper, and I might need to clean up a little bit more. Yep, that was my last one. So let's get the igneous extruder. Oh wait, I remember it. It is a drill head with a light. If I'm correct, and I'm not dumb. I am correct. Okay. So then we will set that up to go directly into the centrifugal. Do I have everything I need? need compass, then I need that thing, and then I need this again, which machine don't have either, so void crystal, that is a black. Got that, so let me get this. Yeah, I can't even go that way anymore, pretty much. I gotta go this way. Probably should figure out how to get any sort of speed. Can I make an enchanting table? Should be able to. No, that doesn't give speed at all, it's just protection-based things, which I really don't need. I was thinking of skyblock things where they give speed. What's this? Oh, the blast chiller. I'll go check on that in a little bit. There we go, then we got that, and then we need the bottom, and then just slap them together. Do I have any in my inventory? I don't. So, I swear I just made that. I guess I just made the components. I'm always confusing that. So, then we need an upper for all this to go up into it. So then we still need to wait for more wire. And what was that? I thought of something. I don't remember what it was. Well, let's just go check on this. Okay, how's this doing? A lot of refined fuel, which you are always directly going output. It's making 40 per tick. You have heavy oil, goes directly into here to make light oil, which is kinda slow, but it's fine because this is at a positive instead of a negative. Then this, yep, makes bitumen going up, turning into all that, and then getting separated into tar and coal. Can I use coal for anything specific? Turn into sulfur, crimson gem, and cost a diamond, which are very rare. I'm assuming this is summon a wither skeleton. Yeah, which I might need to do for heads, which I got a cleaver, so it shouldn't be too bad. How do I make those big crystals though? Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. Large crystal, it is. Ooh. Enriched gold, enriched carbon, potion of poison, sacrifice 1.5 hearts. Oh, do I drink that? I'll probably say it whenever I get there. Right, let's go clean this up and then do this quest to get a free scrubber, which goes in paralyzer, right? I might need to make a second one, which should be fine. Resources are very good. Wait, did that say is optional? Oh, optional, so I just have to get 2 echo shards. Okay. Well, I guess I don't need to do that. Just need to clean it and place it back. Well, don't really need this anymore. Oh, good thing I got that cobblestone because I needed something to place it down. Did I place both? And come over here. Clean that up. I'm waiting for a surprise surprise warden. Just pop out of nowhere. I probably should. No, I need silk touch, don't I? Pretty sure, yeah. Take these. And then get our free scrubber. Yeah, so now that says that is done. And then, gotta remove these. You just go away. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And then let's go check the wire. Yeah, since that's full, it's not really needing it. Oh, can only. Oh, I see. It only transfers that much per tick, I think. I don't know. Yeah, that's very nice. I can use the seeds to put it in the composter. At least I think. Yeah. Just a little bit more wire, but it's enough to do a little work on it. Actually, I'm gonna need a lot more wire. So just dump it and make fabric. Adds 2 more. Wait, why is that? Oh, because that's trying to link. Then, wait. Oh yeah, these 2. Then take the relay. What do you... You don't exist. Stop it. Link. 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 There we go. And then I will just. That is. Oh yeah, you don't have any steel, so you're fine. But I will still connect you. I don't want to delete everything because I need to see what requires power. So let me break it off from here. Don't really need these anymore, but I'll still collect them just in case. Then connect that, and I forgot to connect this one. Then bring it right here. Right. I probably should have made it one to the right, but actually, it's probably easy. There we go. And then connect. I did that right. Yeah, I did. Like that. Then bring it over here. Right here is probably fine. Then you come down. It should be fine if it comes right down here. relay. Do that. Of course, it's too far. Probably like 3 blocks again. Oh, did I not click it? Then get rid of all that. Connector right there, which is a very easy connection. And then I need to bring a little pole right here because that's just going to go right through. Actually, I'm thinking maybe I can connect, like, just straight up do this and then connect that, and like when those fail I have this backup, even though it looks very ugly, because like how this would work is I'm pretty sure this entire backside, like right here, counts as an entity. It's like even if I do a pole right here, I'm trying to think of how that would work. I'll just keep it like this for now. We'll see. Yeah, now just get rid of these alternators. Save me on stress. I don't know where the other two went, but that doesn't matter. No power here, so... yeah, now everything is good with power. So yeah, let me bring that back, because I don't need it back here. Make these like 1 block things their own area. Yeah, the press, you don't need to be here. Induction smelter, and I'll take the reconstructor. Crystallizer, you can stay because the mixer here makes the acid and then goes into here, so you can stay there. But for all these, where should I put them? Probably along that back wall with those, where all those are going. Yeah, along with this here. So, reconstructor. I might need to. It should be fine. That, I want you to face the other way. So with the lever off, then press, induction. I don't have any more. Let me grab them. Along with the centrifuge, I can put that there as well. Drop those off. Make more of that. Then I need this again. And some connectors. And then all should be good for now. Right, yeah, I need to... how will this look? I'd rather have it on top, so do that, and that. Then I'll just connect it with this. But then over here, oh, I might need to make the triangle again. And maybe I'll just leave it like that, because then I'm gonna have this here. Go straight up into the centrifuge. I need to configure the bottom to go in. Then I need lava and the vacuum. Grab a lava. Yep, so carbon dust is going in there, and then actually, did I need that? Probably didn't need that. Let me just put that here, and then hook this up to there. Yeah, that works, so I don't need that at all. And then this has a 10% chance to make the confusing powder, which I'll need a lot of those later. Which I did not automate it last time. I didn't even think of it. But now it's automated this time. So now our power is now good, I think. Now we can continue with some of these. So the pulverizer, right, I'm going to need more frames, so let me make a few more of those. From how this looked, it looks like I needed at most 2. So let me... machine, 2 of these, 2 I am out, so soul, electronic, I'll make just 16. Soul, I don't. Gold. Glass. Need 16 glass. Iron. Can I drop anything? I can probably drop the fences for now. Oh, yeah, the ingot cast goes in the press I placed. Keep that, keep that. Throw these in there. Throw that in there. And let me check. Yeah, I need exactly 2 of these, so, and no sand, so I'll just take this paper and then take the sand over here. And then this quartz dust in case I don't have enough. Sandpaper, and then go back that way. Give this to acid, and yep, I needed more, so put that in there. And then I need 16, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's full, so now that's to process. Yeah, a good thing about the immersive engineer machines is that when you run out of power, it doesn't reset. It just builds up a little bit and then drains down. So it keeps going along the process, but just very slowly as the power builds up. Unlike how those machines did, where it resets when you run out of power. And that should be coming out. Why aren't you? Come on. Well, I'm about to roast this one now because that is full and it is not going out. Do I need to place these pipes? I feel like I have to now. Do I have a servo? I don't. Do I not? I don't. Let's put these aside. Then take. Well, let me try this. Maybe if I do that. No. Do that. And now this water. Should be coming out. I don't. Okay, well let's. I can't do that because then this won't power. Unless I do put a cog there, I can do this. Yeah, so let's do this. Give me all that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can go over it, and then let me go get a new servo. Hopefully that works. Servo. That's observer, servo. Well, that's. I don't know what the modders thought doing this. You input a liquid, and you make the input the bottom, but you can only output the bottom. Come out. Deny. Water. There we go. I think that worked. So now let me just take this pump and let me do this so that connects. There we go. And then okay, I just told you to deny water and you're pumping it out. Deny water. Why are you pumping water out of the system? There we go. Now redstone is the bottom fluid. Why did that happen? You're not pumping it out. What is wrong with this mod? Come on, pump it. So where's the water going when you're pumping out? Obviously nowhere. I thought this would be an easy process, but it doesn't want to be. I thought it was just in and out. Because I just need 16. Yeah, the server is on there. I have to constantly break it and replace it so it can actually do its job. And then one more. I got an idea to fix this, but I don't want to do it right now. So got all that, then this. Okay, just plays, so that should be fine. How did I get a soul campfire? I pretty much got it by now. How did I get it? Oh, that. Completely forgot about that. Well, I don't have any frogs right now. I don't really want to make them, so I'll do it later. Give me that. Do that. Why is the dog barking? Let's see. Soul, electronic, electron, and then that. There we go. That took way longer than it should have. And then make the the other bottom frame. There we go. So now I can make the whatever it was pulverizer, and then also add a fluid encapsulator to the list. Need 2 of these. That needs a piston, pulverizer, make that. What is this for? Okay, blaze rods into 3, that could be good. No, I don't have ores, so that doesn't matter. Oh, into hot graphite dust, which, yeah, I need the pulverizer for, okay. And it's used for graphite electrodes. So is that its only use? There might be more later, but right now, not really. Let me check the blaze powder though. If I crush it, yeah, 3 with a chance of 3 more, so crushing is better. The pulverizer, and then fluid encapsulator. I swear I just made 2. Yeah, I do have 2. Fluid encapsulator. And then, what's all this for? Just packaging fluids. Along with that, so now we have the ability to make the old eye, which needs an overclocked clock. Okay, just one of these, which is fine. Which needs a clock with a flow of time. Which, to get that, is we drain a time in a bottle to get 1/4 a bucket. And to make these, it's just glass and sulfur, which we have sulfur up there. So we need 404 sulfur. If we got that, we can start on the old eye. No, not close at all. So we'll have that keep going, and eventually we will make the old eye. But I'll just use this barrel. I'll take the exotic and the lost, and then I'll put them up here. I could place them in the portal frame, but I want to do all at once. So we got 2 eyes out of 12. So then I will just place it. Actually, I got wires, that's fine. And the pulverizer, got everything I need. Place them right over here. And this one can go over here, and then I'll start putting these on this side. So now let's make now let's make a few of these. So I want to make, well, we need 3, I think. So 12 hop, 12, 8 times 12. I'll figure that out. So 8 times 12. Drop. Put in. You drop. Coke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven, 8, Do these still burn if it's full? Well, they're not full, so it doesn't matter. Oh, I can just take it from here. What am I thinking? 1, 2, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then we just crush it all. To crush. Did I take all of it from here? Okay, it took all of it, so it's fine. Wait for that, and then we put that in here. And then I'll need to make a rod cast, I believe. Which, let me replace these. Rod 3 steel plate. Do I have any? No. So 3 steel into press. Okay, there's all that. Oh man, one took a stack, need to get the other one. Yeah, this piano's bad. Barely play anything on it. And rod. Wait. That ain't right. This, which needs bronze. I made the immersive engineering kind and not the one I needed. But I still have it in case I need it, so probably not, but... But, while I get this working, let me... Goes in here, right? Yep. And then... Induction smelter. Make that. This goes fast, and I didn't even time it. It basically did all of those in the time it took to do one induction. And then do that with a stick. Oh no, I need plates, which I put into the multi-servo press, right? Take that out, put those in, and then the pulverizer, do that. That makes a noise. For a bronze plate. Then we take this over here and mix it with a stick to get the rod cast, the thermal expansion one. And then we put it in there. Wait for those. I might make a little chest for the cast so I don't have to carry them around. We'll time this. Then that goes in here and gives me the electrodes. And then arc furnace. Yeah, this is the one I dread the most. I'll build it right here, because why not? Okay, well, let's get started then. I'll just drop these in here as well. Just clear out. Time bottle, you stay. I'll put all these in there. Okay, well, let's get started then. One thing at a time. 27 reinforced blast brick, which is 27 steel plates, which I luckily have steel automated at a good pace this time. Into the press. Yep. Then while waiting for that, 8 steel sheet metal. I'm gonna need 8 more of that. Yeah, just one at a time. Steel. Do I need any scaffolding? 5. Which I got 5. 5 heavy and 10 light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 light. Block of steel. Okay, that's fine. 6 of those. Oh, I ran out. Well, okay. Guess we wait for... Wait, we can't, because... Now these are eating up all the coal coke, so it can't be sent to the... Yeah, these are eating up all the coal coke. Because like you see now, like the down to 60. Is this fine? Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Maybe it's still just more waiting, I think. Maybe not, because it's just immediately eating it. And not leaving enough. Well, I could just grabby, 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 who cares? Now put it in the system so that the system knows that exists. There we go. And now, yeah, that should be taken out. Yep, now we are getting steel, which we gotta wait on that for a little bit, but I should have the 27 here. Well, this is the eccentric tome with all these other books. Even though I mainly have it as a quest book, I still use I'll use the summoning a lot, and the engineering, maybe Botanica. Okay, let me look at the Enderman. Endstone. Ender Dust. What are you looking at? Then the Wither Skeleton. Summon Frog. And blast bricks with the steel plates, 27. And then wait on 4 steel to complete that. There's 2, give me that. Probably should automate steel plates. But I'll do that after I get this done, where I need the raw steel right now. Okay, we are nearing the 2-hour mark. It might take a long time to get all the steel I need. But I would like it if I could. Yeah, that'd be possible. I will end it after I make the arc furnace. Which, can I even use it? Yeah, I can, because immersive saves your progress. Okay, so it eats a lot of power. How are these doing? These aren't filling? I thought they would have been filling by now. Yeah, there's 2 more steel, and that is all the blocks I need, I think. Yeah, 6 steel blocks, and now, can I see? So, 8, and then 16, 24 steel, I think, and then I'll be done. So we're gonna be waiting here like at least 20 minutes. Well, I could just yoink, speed up the process a little bit. Oh, then we get these and get our free scrubber. So let's go clean up some more. Wait, why is that different? It won't let me stack them. I'll probably fix it when I combine them. Surprise, I have not gone to the pool rooms today. Didn't really have a use yet. Still got all the gold in this one to smelt. Might do that offline, because it took me an hour to do, like, a dub chest of gold. Could I use this area for anything? I don't think so. Yes, you are being deleted. Don't worry. Put one right here. And put one right here. There we go, now they're stacked. But now that I've started cleaning this, I didn't hear no heartbeat. Because I thought the heartbeat was coming from the portal itself to, like, let you know. Oh, wait, look at that. It has the backrooms wallpaper on the portal. Didn't notice that. I don't remember what I was saying because of that. I completely forgot. Then I'll just place these here. What did I say? 24? It's 5. 2. Oh, right. Then I need to put them in water. I completely forgot about that part. Oh, okay. How you doing, cow? What do you want to name the cow? We should probably do that. Okay, we got 13 confusing powders so far. What you want to name the cow? Wait, what's that? Oh, quest barrier. Stage barrier. Okay. Cow. Tux. There you go. Yeah, I found some vanilla pods in a room, and it doesn't seem there to be any way to farm them, which kind of sucks. So I'll just use them. Can I summon a panda? No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know why. Why is the power so weird? Vanilla pods, and then I don't have the slice of life carrot edition mod on, so I don't really need. I like making a variety of foods, but only when I have the spice of life carrot edition mod. So then I need sugar. I got need a little bit more. No, that's enough. A bowl. So let me just do that. And then egg. Oh, this is only a one slot thing. I thought it could stack. Dang it. Oh, what else can I use this for? And there is almost 8. There we go. And there's 13. So let me melt these down. Well, I mean cool these down, and then let's see how much we get. go. And drop those up. 24, and then put them into the press. And then we should be good to nearly end it. Did I? Yeah, I put that down. Did make a lot of progress today, which I actually didn't expect. And then those calculations. Inscriber. Did I get an inscriber? I'm pretty sure I did. Inscriber. Yep. I will. Yeah, I'll take all these, prepare for next time for more quests. I know 8 to complete one, and we'll wait for the other ones. I'll make this. Make steel sheets for that quest. Is that right? Or was it 4 more? There's 4 more. Oh, I probably didn't need the 5th. I need 14. Yeah, then that. Yeah, so I can just put all that away. So now let's build it. Oh wait, I need connector, insulator, maybe relay, engineers, heavy machinery, arc furnace, pause. Okay, cauldron. Build it right here. How far back is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I should build it. Oh, how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then back. Probably should be like this, because the power is on the back of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Then 2. Yeah. Steel, a scaffolding, and 6 sheet metal, and a heavy, oh wait, I've completely forgot the redstone. Please tell me I have one. Did it say redstone? Oh, it did. I just completely missed that. Redstone. I do have one. Just one. Okay, hopefully I don't have to build any other machine. I hope this is it. Redstone. Oh, go back here. What was that? Do. Yeah, why don't they have holograms? Then the 2. And then the 2 overhang. Then 9, 1 there. Was it this? Yeah, and then 2, 3, do, and then the hammer on the cauldron. Arc furnace. Yep, there's a plug right there, so that would not have worked if it was facing the wall. And then just connect it. And then it slowly builds up. So then I come back over here, take these, and then just stick them in. So that is the arc furnace. What all can be used for it? Does not say. What if I do this? Oh, generator. I don't think it'll be good. Arc furnace. Yep, I'm needing to make a lot of these. I think this is easier steel than dark steel. Yes, I'm needing, with the arc furnace in this quest, it's needing me to make this. So that is that done for today. Next time, I'll just continue working on quests. I only got 2 completions. Was it 4 for the thing? I don't think I'll get it, but it doesn't really matter. Okay. And then I'm gonna get on there right after I close this up, because I'm trying to work on making a lot of money with, since it's coal. I usually do what the mayor is, and since it's coal I'm mining, and it actually makes quite a lot of money from leveling pets. I have no idea how much money I make from the actual ores. And the upcoming update is adding Grandpa Wolf, which gives milestones based on how many corpses you loot. And like to max it out, you need like 20 Vanguard corpses, which are like really expensive. So I'm waiting till that update drops, and then I'll start looting corpses, the paid ones. Lapis is just free. Did you even play the tunnels update? The glaciate tunnels? Because I saw your... Okay, that's what I thought, because when I looked at your collection, you have 0 in all of it, which I'm very close to finally maxing out tungsten and umber. They just require so much. Okay, well, I'll end the stream here. Tomorrow, we will keep working on quests, and hopefully end up with the reality thing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.